If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can set the default value property of a field in an access table to specify a value the field should contain when a new table record is created. For example, you may have a yes/no data type field for which to set no as its default value. The value you set can be a number, a text value, a date, or even a calculated expression. You can apply a default value for almost any field data type. For example, if you wanted a default value of M, I to appear as the default value in a state short text data type field within an access table, you could select the state field in the design grid of the table's design view. Then type the text M, I into the default value field property on the General tab of the Field Properties section at the bottom of the design view. Then save your change. When you enter new records into the table in the future, they will appear with the M, I value already appearing within the state field. This can be a handy time saver for fields where you want to record the data, but the data is almost always the same. This way, users only need to change the value in the field when it differs from the default value. To set the default value field property for a field in an access table, select the table to open in Design View within the navigation pane. Then press the Ctrl+Enter keys on your keyboard or right-click it in the navigation pane and then select the Design View command from the pop-up menu to open the table in Design View. Then select the field for which to set the default value in the design grid at the top of the tabbed window. In the Field Properties section at the bottom of the window, select the General tab if needed. Then click into the Default Value field property and then enter a default value for the selected field. When you are done, save your changes by clicking the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.